I have been freezing some eggs, and so right now, let me set my skillet off while I'm telling you this. So I want to show you, you can see here, that does not look like a real egg, does it? But what I've done, and you'll see from the video on freezing eggs, these were stirred up and put into the freezer once they were frozen. So you watch for that video. But this is thawed, and you know, it's changed texture. But what I'm going to do, let me go ahead and put a little salt in it. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of some fresh milk in it. Let me grab a fork. I just want to whisk that milk into it real good. And I've got some butter in my skillet. And you'll see, once this starts cooking, it becomes like a fresh egg. It's like, you know, you just can't imagine that an egg would look like this and then come out just like a regular scrambled egg. But that's exactly what it's going to do. So let me get this all stirred up good and pour it in the skillet. I've got my skillet just hot enough to start frying the egg. Okay, so I'm going to let it sit for just a minute before I start stirring it so that I make sure that it's getting hot enough. Let's see, you can usually tell. But they just come out just like regular scrambled eggs. Yeah, it's beginning to cook now, so let me just keep stirring it up. As you can see right there, it's beginning to cook, and it is literally going to come out just like a regular scrambled egg. Grab me a plate. You know, as you do a regular scrambled egg, you can see, you know, as you scrape the bottom of the skillet, how it rolls up. This is exactly the same way as a regular scrambled egg. So you can see on my spatula there where it's beginning to attach. The smell is the same. And the texture that comes out is just exactly the same. And these eggs have been in the freezer at least a year. So when you can find eggs on sale, especially with the way things are right now, and we don't know, you know, if we're even going to be able to get eggs, much less be able to afford them, this is a great way to be able to put some back for a future date. And like I said, be sure and watch for my video so you can see exactly what I do to freeze them. These are almost done. Let me turn that down so you can see into the skillet. See, I mean, it's just looks, I don't know if you can see that real good there, but it's just like it's a fresh egg. I'll cook it until it doesn't look wet anymore. I love this little spatula that I'm using. It has a tiny bit of a knife end on the end of it. It's a from Rata Cutlery, And I've got a whole handful of them in the drawer because I just love them. If I'm making banana pudding or something that you have to make a roux, that is just fantastic to use on the bottom of the pot to keep it from sticking. Okay, so you can see there that the texture, the color, everything is just like a fresh egg. So, put this on the plate here. And I'm going to stop and have some breakfast. So you all have a wonderful day, and God bless you.